Welcome to the only show that is capable and able to somersault you and insult you and even assault and insult your deformity and anything that is against your life and relationship. This is the one and only show we call Bobosian, saving relationships since 2014. And as you know, my name I still remain showman for the ladies, show baby.
For the men.
I have inside the building tonight the one and only man that does not go on leave but can go to have a peace, which is the peace ambassador, also known as MC Shakara.
For the ladies, show baby. For the men, showman Bosco.
Let me lie, you're funny enough. Yes. Funny enough. Yesterday when I was coming with sorry, let me introduce. I tell you sorry. We also have the
new
youngest
generation.
Are you making the call this young? But now you're confused.
No. See, it is the new generation.
Because I feel my head smooth. But this one, if you want to do this, what I do like go like this.
Please.
The new generation.
You know how many guys
fine boy.
Yeah, dying for this guy.
You know that always makes Shakara the hits because he don't say he don't get proper competition.
Boy, no money.
He don't say he don't get proper competition.
Number one, you can't even stand me.
You don't say he don't get proper competition.
Let's go take a photo shoot.
Let's do that. Let's do that.
I don't
Let's do that.
Confidence.
I'm telling you.
No, but you know what about long hair? There's some motions where you go on.
Where you go say?
Forget long hair.
Where they gonna be you? Shakara go do dreads.
Okay. You don't see the men where they inside with bar tonight. Shakara is here as usual. And then was here. And big shout out to Gochuku Matthews. We are still expecting. I don't see her for this season. Next season, I'm sure we're going to begin to see Ugo Matthews. But today, this topic where I want to talk, I bet you none of these two guys do this thing at all. I personally can tell you how they do them. So let me tell you what the topic be. Is they okay? Make man.
They masturbate.
They masturbate.
Don't be masturbate.
Can you imagine? Is they okay? Make man cry.
Make man they cry.
Make man cry. Yeah, is they okay?
Why man would they cry?
He can choose subtle things and take it to himself.
Because this guy has scam.
Let me tell you.
This guy has scam.
You see me?
Showman, they come say they emotional. This guy has scam.
I tell you why. I feel those days like this. When Casey of Casey from RKB Press become Osborne FM when we do that interview, when he released Turn by Turn, I told him live on air say that time anytime I watch Turn by Turn, you understand? I would just sit here and they come out. Because of that girl, where be they suffer, you understand? When she come so me, those guys small things. Hey, I know when Patoranking, nobody will not feel make them, they touch me, you understand? I know movie like The Three Idiots, where I don't watch. If I watch them 10 times, go and watch it. It's an Indian movie or this.
No.
So I cry sometimes.
When you say, man, cry.
I have stayed like this. I just cry out of, say, the goodness of the Lord.
Are you talking about crying generally or crying emotionally?
Do you cry at all?
I do.
You don't. You wake up, if you knock leg for ground, you know go see cry.
You know, say me. Number one, I'm very soft. You know. No, you know
why these guys like to soft. Emotional, soft.
Wait. Excuse me.
Wait till happen.
No be about.
But is it okay for a man to cry?
It's okay now.
Okay.
No be about watching a movie.
Good.
Now let me tell you. You know, say get some things that happen around you. You don't know your capability and your weakness, you understand? If I deal with friends, where we come out, everybody where you know, where the industry, where we dey. If somebody won't come in, won't break in, they always come through me. Like, because we don't believe, say, if we go through so this guy, you understand?
The Elenu role. Elenu looks more like the one person where they always.
You know if you go meet Elenu.
What are you saying?
You know if you meet Elenu.
Who they Elenu just they lose up.
You know if you meet Elenu.
We they talk say when somebody is hard or soft. That's what we are talking. Nobody say who sabi organize.
Elenu is not.
Elenu is coming to the bar next week.
We talk hard or soft. I'm trying to bring myself as being soft
you be the soft
because of all that would always happen.
Okay, but
somebody go come now.
Have you cried before for a girl and before a girl?
Yes, of course.
Before a girl.
Before a girl, I
have. In front of a girl. Wait, hold on. I just wait. Have you cried really? You don't cry in front of a girl. Until you
ask inside a girl before your mind will come.
No, I don't want to go.
Have you cried on top a girl?
What do you mean again?
Lovina.
You get the girl number.
That's not my first love.
You get the girl number.
I wouldn't have a number again. I think it's my first love.
Wow. I would love to prove you right or wrong.
She broke his heart and he was crying.
In fact, I have one of her pictures on my phone. Recently, I just see the picture for her elder sister, DP.
You cry?
We don't marry for Sabah. She put them up as her birthday, you know. I was just forced to save the picture.
You were crying?
But you not cry?
No, I didn't cry.
So you white dog say you don't supposed to cry?
The whole idea is that if you say when guy they cry,
it makes you look weak.
It makes crying not be total sign of weakness, but to the regular person with the street or regular people with their life, they see you say if you they cry, you know strong.
Like Obama,
you understand?
When Obama cried, when they at that San Barnabao gunshot way, he touched him. But you see,
no, he went under plenty critics.
He went under plenty critics.
No.
They believe that the president of the free world should not cry. They now said that but some people also told him, man, for him to cry, and he addressed the whole world and America from his Oval Office. He has done it like I think only twice in his whole tenure. So, but he cried in that place. And I think he has cried twice now.
I say
if a man like Obama can cry,
if they cry based on say,
because I know many men when they cry, even when their wife they crack their wife, but they are lying.
Thing happen. If say person die, you they cry. That one a normal thing. Say you they cry, say okay, one person people they treat them badly. Na normal thing.
Then why you telling me that? Are you telling me that you
for woman? Why you cry for woman?
Tell me say you don't feel cry for a woman that you love.
Why I go cry for woman?
Maybe now you do something we make her leave you.
No. See, if I do something where I realize say wetin I do wrong.
And she leave you.
I go apologize. I go talk wetin I want talk, but I no go cry.
Your life has never been the same. You are trying to get yourself back.
Okay, forget. Anywhere where you believe say your life dey. Now your mindset now keep you there.
Let me tell you when. Okay, maybe I should just take the reason why it make me cry.
What will make you cry?
You understand? You know, then maturity never reached this level. I agree. But
so that you cannot cry again.
I don't know. You understand? Because that's the only time I have.
So what thing happen when make you cry?
You understand? I did disappointed
in the girl.
Yes. Say this person. You know, say then. Not be now we say fake love done there everywhere. Then you gonna say the girl parents they pay her school fees. So, but you go want hustle money, give her say take do so thing, take do so thing. You understand? Then you come get to find out. Our friend called and tell you say no. Then
okay, then never reach 1.5.
And I don't even know say before this comedy I was a staff of one company, bottling company.
I know.
Where they I start that when I be casual, why they do labor there. I do that labor there till they employ me, can't staff me. So I was earning money.
So you were spending it on the girl.
I leave my job, come pursue this comedy. I forfeit day as a staff of that bottling company. You understand? Maybe by now, for them level, for them go. You understand?
This one
no. Then you know if you work then because
by now that bottling company. Why you not the bottling company? Why not they come sponsor your show? You still feel attached.
Which feel attached? No. We are no longer in touch.
They don't remember you again.
You know why? Because I beg them to transfer me go Lagos. You understand? So that
transfer you.
So somebody waiting for the HR, that one. It is similar like who they chop for two sides, and if I go this Lagos, I won't go begin chop for entertainment, and they see the correct salary. You know what you tell me clearly? So if I really like the showbiz, make I resign, make I go. Say no be by force. You understand?
That one, I just say na God plant and they may just show you the way.
Now by force, say we must go on this very short break right now. This is a by force break. When we come back, because I want to hear what your men want to talk. I go for streets, no go anywhere when they come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.